Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about changing light and dark theme with the help of Flutter GetX. Also, we will see some more utils like bottom sheet with the help of GetX package. So let's jump into the code right after this intro. So we will be continuing from where we have left. This is my home screen. Previously, I was showing here button, and on top of this, I was showing this snack bar. Now let's remove this, and instead of that, as a body, I will take column. And column will take children, and inside children, I'm taking here card widget. And as a child of card widget, I want to show list style. And list child has a property of title and subtitle. So as a title, I'm passing here text widget. And as a subtitle, again it will take widget. Let's save this, and you can see this is my tile, and this is title, and this is subtitle. And this list style has got a property of on tap. On tap, I want to show dialog, default dialog. It has actually got so many property, but for now I want to use title and subtitle for showing dialog whenever I will press this show dialog list style. Subtitle is not there, actually middle text, and after this add semicolon. Here as a title I will pass some text. I'm showing some alert kind of message and also this confirmation message. Let's save this, and when I'm going to tap this, you can see I'm able to use the dialog with the help of GetX package. And we all know that if we will use Flutter dialog, we need to type so many lines of code. Also, we need to provide context, but if you can see here, there is no context I'm passing here. So it is very easy to use anywhere in your project. Now let's add options like button, okay, cancel. So for showing button, it has got the property on confirm, and it will take function. On cancel is there. Let's save it. Now you can see that we are able to see the button in our dialog box. If you want to use your custom button, then for that, confirm is there, and you can see it will take widget. So you can pass widget according to your requirement. Like I'm using a text button. Let's save this. Now if you will tap this, you can see this, it is customized. Also you can handle the padding. So let's suppose I want padding from the top for this title padding. From top I want to take padding of 20. Let's save this. Now you can see that padding is also added. So like this you can handle the properties of this dialog which we are using with the help of GetX package. If you will go to its class. You can see these are the properties available. You can check that. Also add one more button, and this should be for cancel. Perfect. On confirm or cancel, we are not able to close this dialog. So inside this on press of confirm, I'll use get.back. It is used same as for popping any dialog or any screen. I'm using it here get.back because we are already using GetX package. Later in our upcoming videos, we will use this kind of navigation. Now if we will press this confirm, this dialog is disappearing. Let's align our code, Control Alt L. Now one question arises, if this subtitle text will increases, let's see what will happen. Let me add these things, whether it will handle automatically or not. Let's save this. Up to 3 line it is handling. Let me add few more text. So you can see here that this particular dialog is adjusting its height according to the content, or if you want to show your custom UI in your dialog, then there is one more property which is content, and this content will take widget. So if you want to use column, row, or any kind of widget, you can use it inside. So like this, you can use as many widgets inside this content. So for me, this is not required. That is why I'm going to delete this. Also remove this extra line, extra text, whatever I have added for testing the dialog. Let's save this. Now this was our dialog. Next, let me copy this. It was our dialog. Now I will show bottom sheet. Now here, instead of this default dialog, bottom sheet, inside this we will take container, and inside container as a child I'll take column, and as a children of this column again I'm using list tile. Here I'm using icon, icons dot light mode, because on top of this we will change our light and dark theme. That is why I'm taking two icons here. And title, let's copy this, dark mode, dark theme. Now let's save and see whether I'm able to get the bottom sheet or not. Yes, our bottom sheet is visible. It is actually looking weird. So for changing the UI of this bottom sheet, we can use decoration property of this container. box decoration and then border radius. Also, let's provide color. So as you can see here, we are able to change the UI of this bottom sheet. Also, according to your requirement, you can change the layout. So now we will work on this on tap functionality for changing light and dark theme. Now inside this on tap of light theme, we will use change theme. Theme data dot light, and again let's copy this dark. Now let's save this. So as you can see, it is working. When I'm clicking on this light, it is changing, and when I'm clicking on this dot, it is working fine. So for changing theme with the help of GetX is really very easy. You can implement this in your application like this. So that's it in this video. In the next part, we will see the screen navigation and all. So if you like this video, share it with your friends, and thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you next time in our next video. Bye for now.